If you haven't got aftermarket security on your new keyless entry vehicle, you're only chancing that it's not going to get stolen tonight. Welcome back to John Cleese Car Audio's YouTube channel. My name is Max. I'm going to give you a little bit of a run through on the security product that was chosen to install on this vehicle to protect it from being stolen. Now, we have installed the Autowatch Ghost Immobiliser, a fantastic product. We're installing a lot of these onto generally any vehicles newer than 2010. They could be VWs, Audis, Mercedes, etc. I'm going to give you a brief run around on how this security product can protect this vehicle. We are now inside the interior of this beautiful X6 M. Now I'm going to show you just how the security product works. The way that you disarm the immobiliser system is only using factory buttons. We haven't added any extra buttons or lights inside the interior, so it's nice and discreet, the system. I'm going to run you through how you would do it. So I'm going to put my foot on the brake, press the start. That's going to start up the engine. Now, just because the engine started doesn't mean that anyone's going anywhere in this vehicle. If I was to actually put that into drive, the engine will stall out. So to not have it stall out, what I need to do is enter the code. Now, I've used the paddles for this demonstration. However, I will be changing that with the customer very shortly. But I'm going to do up, down on these paddles, and you're going to get two flashes of indicators on the dashboard, and that now means this system is completely disarmed. You can drive away in it now and do whatever you need to do. Now, let's just say you are maybe taking this in for a service. To put the vehicle into a service mode is quite straightforward. You use the traction control button and you press it 5 times. Service mode is used so that you can give your car keys over to like a mechanic or maybe a detailer, and they can move your car without actually needing to know that you have Autowatch Ghost on it. So if I press this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, what I'm going to get is basically something flash up on the dashboard. Even the BMW knows that protection system has become inactive, but now this vehicle is in what we call service mode. This mode is only used when obviously taking it in for service, otherwise you would just get in, type your code and drive off. Now, to take it out of service mode, you may want to know it's really easy to take it out of service mode. Simply, we're going to just reset the ignition. I'm going to start it up again, and say we've just picked up the car. I've now got back in it. I'm going to enter in the ghost code, which is up and down on the paddles, and then it's going to flash away at me on the dashboard to say we're out of service mode. Now, just to also give you another brief run through, so what actually happens if you try and move this car without putting the code in. So just a brief reset of the ignition again. A thief, if he uses relay attack theft and you don't keep your keys in a Faraday box, they may be able to gain access into the vehicle. When they get inside the vehicle, they'll use the same method to actually try and start the vehicle. So they will do this, the vehicle will start, and simply when he tries to put it into gear, you probably just heard that engines are stalled out. Now, you can start it up again, put it into drive again, it's going to stall out. Every single time you do that, it will stall out. You will not be able to get anywhere. So start the vehicle again, let's get going, enter in the ghost code, and now I'm going to get 2 flashes on the dashboard, and it's as easy as that. This car can now be driven away. Even if someone nicks your keys, they're still not going anywhere in a hurry. Thanks for watching this brief video from John Cleese Car Audio. If you want some security for your vehicle, we cater for every single type of vehicle out there. Please do get in contact and we can tailor a system for you. I'm Max, I'm signing off. Thanks for watching. Take care and goodbye.